And so in pharmaceutical medicine, you get to do a range of different things, meet a lot of different people. And that is what keeps me motivated every day. So hello, my name is Juliet Addo. I work for GSK. I'm the head of the Africa Open Lab, that is part of the global health team. So I never thought of pharmaceutical medicine as a career to start with. The opportunity just came one day where my mentor introduced me to a role that needed someone who had the skills I had, and I found it amazing. I said I was going to give it a go, and I have never regretted doing that. It's been interesting. There's no 2 days that are the same. You get to be involved in a breadth of different things, moving from vaccines to medicines, from regulatory safety, pharmacovigilance. But I think I do the best part of it, which is working in global health. For me personally, it's just having that network, that community of practice, being able to attend the webinars, being able to attend the congresses when they organize it, and always there's something interesting, something exciting in the programs that they set up, which always brings a lot of learning. So a lot of my work is to mentor other younger physicians, other clinicians. Pharmaceutical medicine is not something that people think of as a specialty once they are finishing medical school. So it's just introducing them as you mentor them to the fact that there is FPM, there are pharmaceutical physicians, and the rich work that is done, where you do not just look at one patient, but indeed you have the ability to be involved in a role that impacts lots of different people because of the medicines and vaccines that are developed. One of the key things is the recent focus on patients. That is nothing about the patient without the patient. So there is the desire, the interest to involve the patient to co-create everything that is being done in terms of clinical development, in terms of discovery throughout the pipeline, from end to end. So the patient is a key focus. So one of the biggest misconceptions is when people think that it's all about commercial gains. When you are in it, you realize that's not it at all. That there's so much interest in getting the best out to patients. And I think it just takes a lot of interactions for us to communicate with people to be able to dispel that misconception, that it's not just about money. It's more about how do we get drugs to people who need it most, and how can we do it at pace. I would say behind the data. And that's behind the data, there are people, there is a patient, there is someone who needs your medicine. Don't just look at the data, look at the things behind it, what forms it, what informs it, and what the impact can be further down the line.